Hey, could you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm LADI, your local desktop assistant. I help you get things done, keep track of what's important, and chat naturally when you're feeling like talking. I run right on your machine, so your data stays private and secure. How can I help you today?
So, when I started today with the walk instead of doom scrolling, I got a chance to think. And I think I realized two things I wanted to do in life. One is I want to shine a spotlight on just how capable local AI can be. And two, I want to be free to build whatever I want whenever I want, regardless of profitability. So it's super specific, I know, but when you dream big, you got to know exactly where you're going and beeline right to it. But why local AI, you might ask? Well, when most people think about where AI lives right now, they picture it living on someone else's servers. Well, mine lives right here. You ever notice how AI right now feels like a vending machine for intelligence? Insert prompt, receive answer, and while efficient, that's not much fun. So I built something else. No typing, no forms, something you just talk to. Well, what do you do when you don't really know the answer?
When I don't know the answer, I admit it and then offer a clear, helpful next step. For example, I might suggest checking your local files or tools like your browser or notes, or I might ask for more detail so I can help better. If it's something I can't answer locally, I'll let you know and offer a safe, simple way to find the answer yourself. I don't guess. I don't pretend. I just help you find the right path without overcomplicating it.
It's simple, right? And this little guy doesn't phone home, it doesn't learn from you to sell you back to yourself. And there's no data harvesting, no accounts, and no servers. And I called it LADI. This is essentially the difference between a rented mech and one you build in your own garage. Now, most AI answers questions, but I wanted something that keeps me company. Well, is it normal to feel behind even when you're technically doing fine?
That's a really thoughtful question. Yes, it's completely normal to feel behind even when you're technically doing fine. Our brains are wired to compare ourselves to others, track progress, and anticipate outcomes. So even if you're meeting deadlines or staying on task, that inner sense of I'm not fast enough or I'm falling behind can still show up. It's not about performance, it's about how we've experienced effort and time. What might help? 1. Pause and name what you're feeling, e.g., I feel behind because I'm tired. 2. Check in with yourself. Are you comparing yourself to someone else? 3. Try setting small, non-urgent goals just to build momentum. You're not behind. You're just human. And that's enough. Want to work on one of those together?
Now, I know I might be biased, but if ChatGPT is Google with a personality, this is more like having your own NPC that hasn't realized it's the main character yet. And I'm just saying. But LADI is a local AI system designed to do what AI was meant for, to help every human maximize their potential. Not replace you, not monetize you, just assist you in your journey to becoming the best version of yourself. Now, keep in mind that this is LADI version 0.0.1. There's no memory, there's no vision, and it's still a little dumb, but it listens. And I want to not only improve upon it, but I have at least 10 other local AI projects that I want to start and maintain as well. Now, I'm done waiting for the right moment. I've decided to take at least 4 hours a day to work towards my goals and to keep myself accountable. I'll be building everything in public. Starting tomorrow, I'll be going live for at least 4 hours every day, whether I have to go in for a shift at my 9 to 5 or not. Now, the schedule is likely to change daily, but if you see this at any point, feel free to check in and hold me to my word. After all, I'll be doing this until I can support myself with something I've built. And depending on how much I like it, I might even continue to go live from time to time afterwards. So if this feels like the direction AI should go, feel free to stick around. I have a lot more projects in mind for local models, and I'll be using this channel to explore each one of them. And I promise, whether they work or not, I'll be sure to demo them here. And who knows, maybe it's one of you who can take the concept, make it better, and actually get it working. Now, I believe that a win for local AI is a win for all. And I'm just getting started. So if you want to poke LADI's brain yourself, the code's on Patreon, $10, break it, improve it. But that's all I got for you today. Peace.